Whoever invented these video walkie-talkies are geniuses because my kids absolutely love them. And as you can see, it actually has the video on there. Pretty cool because you do not need Wi-Fi for these. The audio is really good. My kids love to play with these around the house, but you can take these outside and the range is like really good on these. The coolest part about these are it is rechargeable by USB Type-C, so you don't need batteries. You just recharge them and you're good to go. These are going to blow up during the holiday season. You guys want to check them out? I'm going to leave an orange link down below because these are selling fast.